JRB, if he comes back in a week and asks you to start building the bomb shelter, will you let us know?
If he comes back and just walks into the studio with a case full of dance clothes and makes all of you guys wear it, let us know.
Previously on TWiT. Hands on Tech.
I am Micah Sargent, and today we are reviewing Apple's new iPhone 15 Pro Max. But here's the kicker. We're also shooting this entire review on the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
MacBreak Weekly.
And we have Type-C now on the iPhone. We're going to have RCS on Apple Messages. Both things Apple probably didn't want to do. Is this a victory for the EU's regulation?
Absolutely. I think this is why I like it when big tech companies, not just Apple, but everybody, gets sued. This is why I like it when there's a threat of really big, painful legislation.
We've already established that you're a communist, Andy. I just want to make sure that everybody understands that, right?
So jest nerozumiem Republics.
This week in Google.
There's no definition of AGI.
AGI would be something that could reason as well as a human. I mean, that's a simple way to put it. But how do you know?
I want an AI to sit down and watch Nicolas Cage's movie Face Off and tell me the conflict and motivation between Nick Cage and John Travolta and not get them mixed up even once.
TWiT.
Then I will believe in true AI.
I'm with Paris.
That's the Paris test.